kachopiero maduong' mabiro timore tarik 9 dweni. Homabay County nigi jogo ombulu 551 71.
County Assembly, in terms of preparedness, we have done a lot. We started with clearance, first of all with registration of candidates, which we finished successfully. Then we did verification of the register of voters, and for Rangwe constituency, just like other constituencies, we have a certified register of voters with 125 polling stations, and we have also done clearance of candidates, what in law we call registration of candidates.
Myself, as the chair of the security in Rangwe sub-county, we want to assure all Kenyans within Rangwe constituency of their security during that day. Already preparations are on. We have been staffed and equipped accordingly to ensure that all Kenyans who are registered as voters to come out in large numbers on 9th of August. Very early in the morning, come out in large numbers. Don't